Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel. Today we are continuing the exercise 2.3 and we are going to finish the exercise 2.3. I think we finished at fourth question. Fifth is a story problem that we can finish in the finished video. So I am finishing the fifth in this video. That is a story problem that I will read it for you. Okay. Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last saplings. Okay, we have to find the distance between the first and last sapling. The distance between first two saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Okay, I will do it. That is, number of saplings is 4. There are 4 saplings that Salil planted on her garden. Distance between two saplings is 3 by 4 meter. To find what is the meter with the first and the last saplings, we have to multiply 4 into 3 by 4. Okay, 4 into 3 by 4. In the finished video, I have taught you a easy method that we can cut this. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. Okay, 3 into 4, that is, answer is 3 meter. So the distance between the first sapling and the last sapling is 3 meters. Okay. Next one is also a story problem that I will. Lipika reads books of 1 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How much hours she required to read the book? So we have to find how much hours was taken by Lipika to finish the book. There says that he finished the book in 6 days. So we have to find by multiplying 1 3 by 4 and 6. Okay, read. Okay, she reads a book in 1 3 by 4. We can make it improper, that 4 into 1 4, 5 6 and 7. We have to plus it, add it by 3, 7 by 4. Okay, number of days she reads 6 days to finish a entire book. Total hours, to find it we have to multiply 7 by 4, 6 into 7 by 4. 6 into 7 by 4. Okay, so we can do in another way also, but I will do 6 7s are 42. 42 by 4. We can make it 2 by make it small by divided by 2, that is 21 by 2. We can make it more smaller. Okay, hours, 21 by 2 hours is taken by Lipika to finish the entire book. Seventh question is also a story problem. Okay, I will read it. The cars ran 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. Okay, one car runs 16 kilometers with 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3 by 4 liter of petrols? We have to find how much distance was covered by the car in 2 3 by 4 liters. Okay, 16 kilometers. When the car travels 16 kilometers, it used 1 liter of petrol. By it has 2 by 3 liter of petrol. How much liter of petrol is taken by the car? So we have to how much distance is travelled by the car? So we have to multiply 16 into 2 3 by 4. We can make first this as improper. 4 2 say 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 by 16 into 11 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. 11 into 4 is equal to 44. 44 kilometers. Okay, So one car travels 44 kilometers by using 3/4 liters. Okay. So next, eighth one we have to prove. I will provide the number in the box, that is this dash, such that 2/3 into dash is equal to 10/30. So we have to find how much when we multiply by 2/3 we will get the answer 10/3. We know that 2 into 5 is 10. 2, 5. So we have to find the numerator. So 10 into dash is 30, 10. Okay, sorry, 3 into dash is 30. So 3 into 10 is 30. So we have find it. So the answer is 5/10. 2 into 5/10 is equal to 10/30. Okay. There is one more question, that is the simplest form of the number obtained in what? We have to make it simplest. So when we divide it by 5, so the answer is 1/2. Okay, the simplest form of the number obtained, that is 5/10. There is one more B question that you will do yourself. So we know that everything is so easy for multiplication of fraction. So we have studied in this chapter addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction and multiplication of fraction. Don't go, one more is remaining, that is division of fraction, that I will taught you in the next video. Okay, if you have any doubts, don't forget to comment, and please like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.